Hey guys, so right now I'm gonna be headed to a park I never been to. It's called Welleby Park, and actually I used to go to the Welleby school down here, so I'm just gonna check the park out and just stay tuned guys. Okay you guys, so I never been to this park, so I'm just gonna cruise around and kind of show you guys what the park looks like. So yeah, so there's like a little path right there, and there's like little chairs and the lake. That's a really nice lake, and then apartments over there. So yeah, I'm gonna walk deep inside the park and see what they have. So this is the lake guys, and then it has a whole bunch of field grass over here, so like you could play soccer or whatever, football, so that's a good area. And then have like a little bench right there. It's so nice. Oh guys, look at this. Look how big this lake is. Whoa guys, they even have like a little mini what's it called, like bathroom area. It's so nice. Okay you guys, so right now I'm gonna go over the bridge. I'm gonna show you guys the bridge, but this is actually a really nice park. Like, one thing about like South Florida, Fort Lauderdale, is that they have like really good parks. So okay you guys, so this is the bridge over here. I'm so excited to cross over it. And then they have like apartments on the side. I love it here. So I'm crossing over the bridge right now, and this is what it looks like. And yeah, so this is the mini park over here, and I'm so excited to see like what they have over here. Like, this park is set up really different. I like it. So yeah, we're gonna take a look. This is the view close up, and yeah guys, got like a mini grill over here. Wow. So there's like the park right here. Like, they have like a little jungle park thing going on here. It's really nice. Oh wow. Okay you guys, this is another part of the park with the slides over here. And then guys, they have like little mini businesses over here. You can walk through it like you're on the main street. So I like this. This is really nice. Wow. Guys, they even have traffic lights. Like, what? That's crazy. And oh guys, there's a little mini water park. Oh my goodness, over there. Okay you guys, so right now I'm gonna show you guys some of like the businesses they have on the road. And yeah, they have, what is this, Sunrise train station. Oh, this is the train station right here. And they got like a mini bench. I've never been to a park like this, but I don't think these things open though. Yeah, they don't open, which is, I feel like they should. But this is nice. Wow, this is so nice. Oh, I love it here. More businesses right here. This is like a Sunrise Police Department. This is how it's set up right here. Like, literally the kids can drive on the roads. It's crazy. I feel like they should have added more to it though. They have like a little mini city hall. You guys, I'm literally short. Like, look, I could literally touch this. Like, look how short I am. But this is so cute for like the little kids, you know? Like, it's really nice. This is City Hall right here. Okay, you guys, so they also have like a Sunrise Bank right here. This is the bank right here. It's pretty cool. Across the street is the library, and you have like the yield sign for people to cross, and then a U-turn. Yeah, the library. They have a place that says diner eats or dinner eats diner, open 24 hours. Like, what? This is so cool. And then they have what is this for gas? Oh, this is a gas station right here. Okay. Oh wow, this is pretty cool. I like how they set this thing up. Also have doors in the back, but they lock them for some reason. I don't know, but this is pretty cool. So this is the station, the fire department station. Wow. This is really, really nice. So this one is the art gallery. What is the art gallery? I don't know, maybe like amusement place that you can do art. This is pretty cool. And then they have, let's see, this is the road again, guys. Let me show you the rest. They have a veterinarian for animals. Wow. I feel like they should open these to make it actually a playhouse, you know? And then over here, this is the barn right here. It's really, really nice. So this is the dentist's office right here. Wow. I want to take pictures over here for the thumbnail, but you know, I don't know if I'll have someone to do it for me or not. So yeah, I don't know if I showed this, but it says it's a school right here, Sunrise School. And yeah, guys, I think I went through the whole street. It honestly, in person, it's really smaller than what you think. Like on Instagram, it looks a lot bigger. But yeah, it's nice though. I just wish that they kind of had the playhouses open, so that way like kids could like make it more fun, you know, like, yeah. But other than that, they have like traffic lights, like the real streets, and it's pretty cool. So yeah, guys, I forgot to show, like, there's a railroad track right here, and I don't know, maybe that's supposed to be apparently through the railroad, but yeah, and it leads all the way to the park. So here, this is like the little mini splash park, and then they have like the little office over here and some snacks and some little benches. Yeah, this is cool. But yeah, this is Welleby Park in Sunrise, Florida, Fort Lauderdale. So this is like the little mini water park over here. I'm trying to get it closer up front, but yeah, you can bring your kids over here or your little cousin or nephews or whatever and have them play over here. I seen that there was like a school bus somewhere over here. Let me show you guys. There's like little buses over here and people riding their bikes. I think this park is actually a lot bigger, so I'm gonna go over there and show the rest. But yeah, well, basically I'm gonna be walking through the other side to be able to get in. So yeah, you guys, so I don't know, from this side it doesn't really look like it has anything going on over here besides like a dog park or like taking your dogs over here. So yeah. Not really much to show. It looks like it's just a dog park over here, but I'm not really gonna go in because there's people with the dogs. So yeah. Okay, you guys, so I am gonna probably just chill over here. I don't know, or maybe I might go to the library later. I'm not really quite sure yet, but this park is actually smaller than I thought. Like, I thought it was gonna be way bigger, but in reality it's not really that big. But yeah, but thank you guys for liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel and clicking the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I drop a video. And I don't know what type of thumbnail I'm gonna put, but yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Bye. I have the park alone. This is what it looks like more close up. It kind of reminds me of the park at the church at Calvary Chapel. But yeah, it's giving life. It's giving fun. But yeah, guys. You guys, it's literally hot out here. Like, why so hot? I don't know. Whew. Guys, there's a squirrel over here trying to attack me. Look. I was trying to... Oh, shoot. It's coming near me. Oh my god. He wants to play. Yo, I don't want to get attacked though if I play with it. Oh, heck no. Look. Oh my god. Y'all, I'm scared. What do I do? And I really want to sit. I don't think it's going to attack me. I don't think so. Oh my god. Oh. It's coming closer. Oh, hell no. I'm scared. You guys, I'm scared. It's literally following me. Yo, I can never have peace. Even animals over here trying to attack me. Yo, I'm scared. It looks sweet though, but I just don't know if it's gonna bite me. Guys, look at the squirrel. It's literally looking dead in my face right now. You see? I don't think it's gonna attack me. I don't think so. Look, it wants to play. Look. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. But I'm scared. I met a little friend. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. You guys, I think I just met a little friend. Which is the squirrel. Oh my god, it's literally coming close to me. I'm scared. I don't know if it's gonna bite me. Oh, I don't think it's scared. It's probably scared of me more than I'm scared of it. Literally two of them over here looking dead at me. I'm so scared right now. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna sit somewhere else. They're playing hopscotch or something. They keep following me. Oh my god. They want to be my friend. The squirrel literally just took the branch. Like, these things, I don't know if they're vicious or what. Work, guys. Tweet, tweet. Yo, even animals won't leave me alone. Hey guys, so I'm waiting for the bus, so I'm thinking I'm probably gonna go to another park. I'm not sure. It depends if I'm able to or not, but yeah, I'm just here enjoying the nature with these animals, the birds and the squirrels and everything, and they're over here. They won't leave me alone. Like, they will not leave me alone. Yeah, but I mean, I'm having fun. You know, I'm going to the park by myself, and it's a nice park for kids. It's a really good park. I mean, I've seen adults like running around, but yeah. Yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Bye.